Hello guys, nice to see you back again tonight. Are you ready for a new session, guys? Let's see, let's pump the chat there. Hoping today you'll learn something extraordinary. I prepared something for you guys tonight. Let's wait for more people to come. Let's check if music it's okay. Tell me if you can hear me good. You can tell me if music is good enough. If it's too loud, I'll drop it and make it down. I'm building. We have some more improvements to the app. I think this week we can launch it. Okay, so it's day 9, guys. We created an app fully working. I'm coding on it from day 3, I think. I haven't used other terminals in decades, so I'm just using this app, my app, which is basically Prwn. I already forgot that there are other terminals existing, sincerely. So let's close this one, let's clear the console, let's launch another session with Claude. And I have a bug. You see, when I'm clicking here, it seems like it's breaking the screen. I don't know why, but we should check and see what's happening. Yeah, let's go. Right now we are on. I think we'll need to go with Parakeet, and I'll put the left one. Okay, let's test, because we now don't depend on other external services. We have Parakeet v3 directly downloadable on our device, so you will not be charged by any other external services. We have Sonius, which you can bring your own key, but Whisper and Parakeet are very good. Parakeet is more accurate, Whisper is more faster. I already tested it for over the weekend. You are watching with me and building together. See what I'm using to create those apps, what I'm using to create all the projects or the workspaces. You can see I have a lot of projects here. I'm vibe coding every one of them, and now I'm showing it to you guys. Okay, perfect. Let's get it done and let's fix this problem faster. I have a problem, unfortunately. It seems like if I'm collapsing the right panel, all the app becomes white, and there is a try again window that displays on my screen, and it doesn't let me to continue, and it crashes literally. So make sure you are finding where the issue is. Please review it with 5 bug hunters, and let's fix this big issue. Yeah, I think I spoke. Okay, because I haven't had the. Okay, so let's try again, guys. So I'm having a bug. If I'm collapsing the right panel, it seems like the app goes into the white blank. And a try again button appears, then the app refreshes and I get it back again, but I cannot close the right navigation at all. Okay, let's see what's going on here. Let's see if it does on dev as well. Yeah, it's happening the same. Let's open it again. Let's see what's new. Let's see what's finished there. I think nothing. Okay. Good. So for tonight, guys, we will create 2 apps, and one prompt will have no skills, no brainstorming, no planning, no thinking, no interviewing me. But the other will be exactly the same prompt, creating exactly the same app with skills, with brainstorming, with planning, with spec generation and everything. So you will learn something today. The planning and everything you are doing, creating an app, is the most important thing. Okay, so if you are not planning before creating an app, there will be an issue and will take you more and more tokens after that, you know. So after creating the app, you can see the app, you can see everything, maybe working, maybe not, maybe you get the good result, maybe you got a bad result, but in most cases, without planning, you will get a crappy result, okay? But I will demonstrate to you tonight that with planning, we'll get a much more better app than making it without any planning, any skill, anything, you know. So for the purpose, I'll use the superpowers skill as well, because it's the perfect skill that I found and the most useful one. I literally code with it every day. Okay, so let's start, guys. I have the prompt already prepared. The app will be domino game with effects and everything. And as I said, one will be with prompts, with skills, with brainstorming, with interviewing me, and the other one will be without any of this. Okay, so we will let Claude create something that he wants, and he understands without any skills and any brainstorming. Okay, so this one in the left will be the planned one, and we'll use the goal function from Anthropic. They created this very nice feature which you can use, and you can benefit of it, because it's the most important command you can give to Claude. Okay, so let's start this one, or maybe let's do it in the same time, so we also see how much it takes with the plan, with everything, and how much takes with raw, no planning, no nothing. Okay, perfect. So we have 42 lines in both of them. Let's see. I think this is wrong. Let me see. 42 lines, 42 lines. Okay, let's start them. So you'll see the prompt here. You can copy it. You can do the same test. Let me see if use the superpowers. No, it's the same. It's the same. Sorry, guys. Let's start it again. So let's see why is not copying my. So I'm using X high effort for each one. I'm using exactly the same parameters. Let me find why this is not working, and maybe I can find it in here in Claude. I brainstormed it with Claude before the stream, so I'm prepared, so it will not take so much. Let's see. It's in chats here. Yeah, that's it. And here should be the raw, no planning. Okay, 20 lines. Perfect. So the prompt is exactly the same. but here I did what I call planning. Okay, then after this line, everything is exactly the same, and this is also improved. Begin with the brainstorm plus interview, don't code until the plan passes, the 3 sub agent review, and I prove it. Okay, so what I'm doing, I'm also looking into creating some reviewers, some sub-agents reviewers that will basically review the spec plan, and then from the spec plan we are creating the plan, and the plan gets again reviewed by 3 agents. Okay, so let's start this test. It already knows where it should go, I think. Yeah, it will go in projects, domino chain planned, and this will go to domino chain raw. At the end, we will see what's happening, what they were doing. We test the web app, we test everything together. We see what this is doing. Okay. On the other hand, I heard that Claude and Anthropic tries to get the Fable back. I really miss the Fable. I just realized that it was helping me so much with everything, with planning, with all the stuff we need. But unfortunately, we don't have it now. We'll maybe not have it for the next week, or who knows, maybe. From what I saw, they are implementing something, some QIC, so we'll need to QIC to use the Claude. Hopefully this will be good enough for the government, so it will get back the Fable, because it was a really good model. Okay, so right now I received a question. You see, this is the interview that I was talking about. Claude is asking me things basically to understand what I need. Okay, so this is the first most important part, because you see here he got 3 ways to do it. Okay, yeah. And this question, I'm also having it in Telegram. I will show you right now. From what you see in Telegram, because I'm using the Prwn app, which I built, I also get the questions here, and I can also answer directly from Telegram. Staying on my couch, going outside with my dog, I'm getting this notification from Telegram. I'm clicking what options I'm good with, and it sends to the terminal then. What special visual model should the app use? This derived rendering, placement, and collision matte. Side view, 2.5D tiled top down. Let's go with the side view. Then how real should be the physics? Kinematic toppling, real rigid body engine, custom impulse solver. Let me, and I will also allow this. You see, I sent to the terminal as well. I'm good, Smar. Nice to see you here again. I'm really good. I'm demonstrating something tonight. If you haven't been from the beginning, we are testing to building an app with planning and without planning. Okay, so I'm showing you what Claude can get with planning and without planning, because I consider that the planning is very important, and most of you are not using that, and you should. And you in this test you will see why the planning is so important when you are doing vibe coding. Okay, so good. How real should the physics be? Kinematic toppling, yeah, I will do kinematic toppling. Then how should a failing domino topple to the next other? Geometric contact plus momentum. pre-computed neighbor graph. I don't know sincerely. Let's go with one with what Claude recommends. Then how should the motion be stepped over time? You select this one. Fixed timestamp accumulator, delta time scale, naive per frame. We'll go okay with this one. It seems like the Telegram is not working anymore. I don't know why. I will check again and see what's going wrong. How are you, Smar? I will let you know when the app is done, and I can provide an account for you. Curve cascade completed. Huge. So the app is already done. Okay, it built index HTML for this. It didn't use any JavaScript, I think, and we can open in browser, I think. Yeah, that's good. Okay, so we are going and adding this. Let's go. Doesn't look pretty bad. This is really nice. So this is the app without planning, okay? Guys, this is what Claude created without planning. So this is what Claude created without planning. Reset. Let's clear. Let's go and do like this. Let's see what's going on. Oh, failed. Let's see what he's asking me. Let's try again the Telegram. We should, I don't know if you saw there because it's my camera, but we have the questions here. Let's answer to them again and see if the terminal gets the, if not, we will debug this and see what's going on, because a few days ago it was working. Okay, when you click drag to lay a row, how is the gap between the dominoes decided? Fixed gap, auto-tuned to tuple, speed-based, faster drag equal wider graph. Let's go with 2, okay? Then, when go is pressed, which domino falls first and which way? Leftmost tips toward its neighbors. Click a domino to start. First place domino starts. The first place, I think. How should the domino come to rest after it falls? Lean on the domino ahead. Lie flat on the floor. Now lean on the domino. And then, what visual style? Slick, minimal, recommended. We'll answer the questions and then go ahead and code again to our app, okay? But first, we'll get Claude to create the plan, implement everything, and then we'll test the bot games together. The raw one without any planning, without skill, it's already done. It's a pretty basic app, but you will see right now what it did. What visual style? Classic ivory pipes with pips, neon glass. Let's go with neon glass. And now it works. You see, it was just an edge case, but yeah, we will need to solve that as well. No problem. We'll solve that. So let's play again. Let's see what's there. So we are having this one. Let's see. Let's go again. You see, it failed, guys. But let's do like this. Let's see what's going on. Let's see how this is going. It's not going good. I'm not good at it. So it seems like it's working, but yeah, sometimes it's failing because I'm not putting them correctly. And you do see it's rotating. So let's make a let's see what it goes. Okay, it doesn't work. Let's see, guys, what pattern we should use. Let's see this one. I think it will not work. Yeah. But it's not a bad one. It's working, yeah. But you will see what we obtain with the planning, okay? So that's why I'm saying planning is very, very, very important. This is just the HTML page, you know, without planning, without anything. Claude created it in 6 minutes, okay? But on the other side, the goal and actually the planning with interviewing with everything, it already ran for 13 minutes. So already double, okay? Let's see what's happening here. Let's see what's going on, because I don't need to read this. I'll read directly the summary. React rules of hooks violation confirmed. Three hooks in the right panel are called after conditional error return online. When the panel collapses, those hooks are okay. It crashes the whole app. Claude will write a failing render progression test first, then hoist the hooks in the right panel. Okay, Claude, let's go ahead and implement this. Okay, Claude, let's go and implement this. Let's see here. Sprint execute. I'll go and sprint executing it. We are running in sprints. Don't forget. We are not doing it, and also we will use goal. Oh, I don't use Claude here. I want you here. Perfect. This is working. We are executing another sprint. We implemented the voice orb, so I can talk with the voice orb here. I'm not having the OpenAI key in this one, but I'll show you in a moment in the dev. Okay, so here is the orb, here is the AI assistant working in real time for you. So you can open terminals, you can close terminals, you can read what terminals are doing, you can send follow-up messages to the terminals, you can do everything. I was working in the last 3 days making it working, because we have some processes that we need to have behind the scenes, and now it's working. We need to test it more, but so far so good. It really works really great. So I'll show you right now, guys, something that we will also add the Tony Stark, I mean the Star Trek voice in there, so we'll not use the the female here. So you click here. Hi, how are you? Let's see if the mic is working. I think the mic is not working because I'm on stream now. Let me see if I switch to the AirPods, if that is working and starting to work. Let's see. I will quit this. Then I will open it again. Sometimes I have problems with making it done when I'm. Let's see if it's working. Hey, how are you?
Hey, I'm doing great. Thanks. That's
Perfect.
one.
Where are you from?
I'm a digital assistant, so I don't have a place of origin like a person does. I'm here to help you out.
Can you open for me a terminal and check the last 5 commits and get back to me, please?
I've opened a terminal and it's working on listing the last 5 commits. I'll let you know as soon as the results are ready.
Okay, guys, so you see it in real time. I'm streaming right now. Please don't tell me nothing.
Got it. I'll keep it concise and just let you know the results as soon as they're ready. The last 5 commits are all related to sprint planning and release uptakes. They cover pluggable agent backends phase 1, a fix for the real-time voice orb, and some release notes marking both channels at version 0.55.0. Everything looks up to date, and no further actions are needed.
Perfect, guys. So did you saw that? Isn't it amazing? Come on, guys. What do you think about it? So I opened the terminal, I told him to execute something, and then I got exactly the thing that basically it showed the let me start again the music. Okay, this is old style. Okay, tell me, bro, what we should do instead of this. I think this is maybe the Siri of our old times, but it really helps you when you want to control terminals, see the summaries, maybe inject a prompt into a terminal and everything. I don't know if you tell that it's nothing new. I don't know. I haven't seen any Xterm or Tmax doing this with AI agents in real time. So I don't know what you refer to, nothing new or something. Okay, let's see what's going on with the game. All 3 reviews in is strong, mostly non-overlapping, synthesizing, declining a few with reasons. Yeah, I saw a lot of people doing this with Hermes, I think, or something like that. But I think no one has access to all the projects, opening a new terminal in there, using the commands and everything they need. And also, it doesn't basically update you when something is going on with the terminal. We can also automate it, and I also implemented this as well to actually confirm, maybe answer to the questions the Claude have for you, or wake up when Claude have questions for you and talk about it with you and decide together and so on and so forth. So yeah, I will use that for and we'll use it in the stream. Yeah, no. It's a really good tough. I mean, I'm not upset. I'm also hearing your thoughts. That's why I asked you what you will see, like something special or something that maybe no one has. Like, for example, I will want this real-time session to notify me, check for me when I'm on another window, for example, if the terminal finished, and send me what that terminal did and what are the next steps, for example, so I can answer to it in real time. You'll see me testing it and working with it further, but yeah, I really challenge everyone to do what I did, sincerely, because it's something that I built in 3 days, this AI real time, and I assure you that if you don't know the whole perspective and what real time does, and how the voice need to be handled, will take you 7 days, you know. So maybe you'll get it done at some time, but it will take you much more than spending, I don't know, $40 on having it already built and maybe build another product which you can get money from it, not just building it for you and for some friends or something like that. But as I said, you guys, you can also create this app. I did it. You have all the paths, all the videos on how I did it, and I explained everything how I did it. Yeah, I think I have my own touch. I mean, for me, answering from Telegram, for example, it's a really good thing. For me, having a real time instead of texting here to open a new terminal and everything, it's much more easier for me. Okay, so we also implemented the source control, which basically we see exactly what org tree and what changed everything. So I'm much easier seeing what's done in the same window. So I'm not moving to, I don't know, cursor or VS Code to check what changed, what happened, what is going on with the app. So you can see here, you can open the tab, you can see what changed, what functions. This is only docs, but maybe you can see here, for example, here you can see what's been added, what's been created without looking into another app. So this is another thing that I wanted, and I use it, and it's much easier for me. Okay. I'm building my way, so maybe it will be useful for you or for other devs as well, so they are not switching other people. Let's see, spec consistent, committing the fix, then writing the plan. So we are 25 minutes in. This other app, which was not having the planning and everything, ran for 6 minutes, and the game is already done. You can see here. Let's try it again. Let's do like this. Let's see what's going on with it. Maybe it works. No, it didn't. This will not work as well, probably. Yeah. Neither this. Yeah. Oh. Let's see like this. Okay. We'll verify this is working. Let's see if closing the source panel, the right panel is working then. And we are waiting for the game to finish. Meanwhile, I'm fixing some things so you guys can use all the terminals you need. Then here in the left part, I think, yeah, we are doing the voice orb fix, the real time I showed you previously. We are having some troubles in there, and now is fixing. Yeah, guys, let's see also on the Kimi, because Kimi just launched 2.7, 2.6, and it's pretty interesting, and I really want to 2.7, sorry, I really want to see the benchmarks and what they did. I'll look it here for you. So trying Kimi Code, we don't have any more a plan with them, but I'm really eager to see what changed, how they modified things, how it compares right now with GPT and Claude. I'm not really sure it's GPT and Opus 4.8. I don't understand why GPT it's better than Claude, because it literally it isn't. On coding benchmark, K22.7 code shows substantial gains over K26. It's not that bad. I think we should try it, but maybe let's do a test. Let's do a test, guys. Let's also create this app here with, let's see if the bar is working right now. First. Okay, now closing it, it works. Perfect. So we have it working again, but I will try to do the exact same thing here, but with AGI and codecs. Okay, so let's do it like this. I will open a new terminal. AGI. Let's do like this. Oh, how it works to paste here in doesn't work like on Claude. Actually use the name domino chain raw AGI, and let's build also with AGIs to see how this is working and how this is implemented. Let's also use the codecs. Okay, I think oh no, I am. And checking set message. Your authenticator has been invalidated. Please try again to sign in. Login. Codex login. Let's see if this works. Yeah, that's not the right browser. Let me see, guys, because I need to log in. I will come back shortly. Directly. Okay, so let me try again. I'll open the specific browser to log in into Codex. And now we'll log into the account. We'll receive a text message. Let's see what's going on here. 39. Yeah, I think Codex changed something into their app, because I was logged out from everywhere, also from the web, also from everywhere. So I don't know what they did. Okay, so I'm logged in right now. I'll resize this, and then let me also check something. Okay, that's good, guys. Let's go. So we will create this similar game with AGI and also with Codex, so we see which one does the best job. Okay, so let's start it. Let's copy the actually use the name domino row codex. I'll be right back. 1 minute. I just go to use the restroom. I'm coming back again in 2 minutes. Yo, bro, how are you? I was just using the restroom. Sorry for it. I just came back. How are you? How was the vacation? Nice seeing you again here. Welcome back. We are building a domino game with AGI. with Codex and also with Claude, and I'm also demonstrating you why planning is so important and why you should not skip the planning part. This is not planned, a game that was created without planning, without without skills, without anything, just in one shot, in 6 minutes. Okay, so right now, here on the left upper part, everything it's going built. It already took 36 minutes, guys, and right now it's on the general purpose agent. It's using multiple sub agents doing the thing, and here on the bottom left part, same, no skills, no plugins, no brainstorming, nothing, but with Codex. And here it is, I think, let's see, it seems like AGI is not able to create any it's not able to create the HTML. I ran into the issue here. Let's solve this, please. It looks like your message. No, I mean to create a new folder in projects. How's the vacation limited? Can you hear me? My mic is on? Yeah, it's on. Let's go, guys. Let's pump it. Where did you go? Lol, I specified in the prompt how I need to name the folder. So the app is in the existing workspace project directly instead. No, I said to yes. Okay. Oh, okay. Perfect. So I have created a new folder with the exact same formatting you provided and copied the domino chain app into it. Let's see, guys. So this is the AGI one. Let's see what it did. Oh, wait. Oh, no. What's happening, guys? Oh my god. Sincerely, it's nice. But what is this, bro? So this is the Claude one. This is how it's working. This is AGI, okay? Yes, bro, but we wanted to try it just one shot it. I didn't want it to. It's good graphics. Yeah, it's very good graphics. I mean, I can also zoom in, zoom out. Woohoo! Wow. I can also zoom out. Maybe. Oh. Whoa, 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 whoa. What's this, bro? Oh my god. Look. What's going on? Let me try the same thing in Codex. So, okay. Oh my god. It's so good. Oh my god. Oh. Okay. Good. So let me reset this because it already got me a lot of Oh, so right click to rotate the camera. Wow. Wait. Whoa. Bro, no way. This is AGI, bro. Oh my god. Let's fix this because I think it's a good game. Okay, okay, AGI. This is good, but files are not basically folding into each other. They are just thrown away in each other. Let's make it a real domino game, okay? Let's fix this physics and let's fix. Yeah, this is the test we are doing right now. We are creating one very good, well-planned app versus non-planned, no skills, no nothing app. Okay, so we will see what Claude here is doing with all the spec and skills and planning and everything. Then we'll compare it to the others. Yeah, I think yes, but I don't want to spend so much time doing on it. I don't know if you were here, but we've implemented something something nice as well. Let's fix my bug. What's going on here? Why it's saying we are having 3-1? Okay. Good. So I will try to see what's going on with the input. So let's use the wireless microphone. Let's see if we can get the AI assistant working. And you tell me what do you think about this new feature I worked in the last 3 days. It took a lot of time for me, and it was having a lot of bugs, guys. So this is the real-time assistant. Instead of writing text here, you are just talking with it and control the terminals. Let's try. Hello, you can hear me?
Yes, I can hear you loud and clear. What would you like to do today?
Perfect. Can you open a new terminal, please, and check for the last 5 commits in Git, and also come back to me.
A new terminal session has been opened, and it's now working on retrieving the last 5 Git commits. I'll let you know as soon as the results are ready. Here's the latest update from the terminal. It found that the right panel collapse white screen bug was fixed and merged, the version was bumped to 0.55.1, and a new Sprint AJ, focused on pluggable agent backends, is now active. The suggested next steps are to deploy version 0.55.1 if a release is pending, and to begin implementation tasks for the Sprint. Let me know how you'd like to proceed from here.
Yeah, but can you tell me why you didn't respect my role to create your own prompt and you just wrote what I said?
I understand your concern. My goal is to accurately translate your request into a clear and complete instruction for the agent. I did that by making sure the terminal session had a
Yes, but this is not good at all because you said in the prompt, please open a terminal and run a command to list the last 5 commits. Can you tell me what is the issue inside your master prompt, your instructions that led you to do that? Exactly what I said.
You're absolutely right to ask for that level of detail. The main issue in the prompt I used was that it closely mirrored your original wording, including phrases like, please open a terminal and run a command. That wasn't strictly necessary for the terminal agent. It could have been more direct, such as simply stating the task, list the last 5 Git commits, with details including hash, author, date, and message summary.
But why you didn't do that?
The extra phrasing like open a terminal was redundant, since the session was already handling that. Also, including come back to me.
Yeah, but why you didn't do that?
Thank you for your patience. You're right that my initial prompt could have been more streamlined. I include.
Yeah. We need to fix that. I don't really know why it took it like this, but I think the prompt and instructions should be more trained on it. So we will check. Actually, let's see where the file is. I think. Let me see, because I'm. Orchestrator. Oh, I think it's in orchestrator. Let me see. Orchestrator actions. No, it's something like real time or something like that. Let's find it. Voiceover. I think here. Let's see this one. So you are the voice control surface for Prwn, a mission control cockpit that supervises a fleet of running command line agents sessions terminal. You do not work yourself. You operate the fleet on your user behalf by calling tools and report back in spoken language. Tools you have: list sessions, list the live sessions. Use it to discover which session used before. Let's see where. I have a good directory viewing front end. You can take a look at that. Oh yeah, I took this from Hermes, I think. I don't remember so well, but that was it. That was the one I was using. So this much of one can exhaust the limit fast. You need to solve it. This much of default token can exhaust the limit. Yeah. I will make it more compact, but it's not like it's. Let's see how much tokens does it consume. I really wanted to make it as small as possible. Let's see. Only 530 tokens, guys. Okay, so this, I think this is not too much. Do you think it's too much? I think I will have. Let's see what's here. I will have Caveman to make it shorter. When you send work to a terminal, the text for send to terminal or the prompt for spawn session or write a complete self. The user spoken, the receiving. Wait. So this is. Never the user spoken words. You see, it didn't respect this. So, yeah. Yeah. We'll work on this. Do you have any suggestions on how to make it better. What tool do you use? Let's indented for spaces now. I think this is not having the right things. If not, I will if it doesn't work, yeah, I will tell Claude. So when you send over to the terminal or the prompt for response, or write a complete self-contained instruction, never the user spoken words, you see? So the receiving agency is only the same, not this conversation, expand the third spoken, requesting a clear, specific, actionable prompt that names the task, the context it needs, and a finished result looks like. Exactly as you would brief that agent with. Okay. Give it to AI and check what it thinks. Maybe you need to categorize in the strict level wise, like high, medium, low, important one in high, and so in others. Yeah, let's do it. Let's try it. Let's see what's going on with the tasks. In the meantime, let's answer to this one. Let's see what it needs from me. The plan has passed the first one full review round. How do you want to proceed? Then implement, approve as is it. I want to review, change the plan first, approve as is it. Let's continue doing the app. Let's see also the codex. Sorry, the codex version. I think this one is the codex. Let's see, guys. Oh my god, what is this, guys? What the shit? Bro! What's this, guys? What the heck? Wait, this is the game? No way. What's this? Bro. No way, this is the game from Codex. So this is so bad, bro. No way. What the shit? This is the best so far. So, but it didn't solve it. Sorry. Let's see what's going on because it didn't fix it. Refresh. Oh, it fixed. Let's check again. Let's check now. Oh my god. Bro. This is AGI, anti-gravity. So it was let me see, because I don't remember what I said. Gemini 3.1 Pro. I was thinking that is 3.5, but not. But let's also try the 3.5. Okay. Let's also try 3.5. Yeah, but I told him to repair that small issue, but he didn't. I don't know what to do. How do I exit this one? Okay. AGI. Let's set the model to 3.5 flash high. Oh no, I forgot about the issue. You need to give it the image for the reference of the issue. Do you think it can solve that? Let's try again with this one. The folder name should be domino game, domino chain, AGI 3.5. If I give photo, it should work. Let's test it again. But yeah, what I'm trying to demonstrate is that you need to basically plan everything, plan all the small features and everything before you are doing a game. This one with planning and everything has 1 hour already. The other one was created in just 6 minutes. Okay, and GPT and Codex built it in same, I think 6 minutes. But we are still waiting for the planned one to be ready, and I'm really interested on what it will go and show you guys what and what we can do with planning, with proper planning. Okay, if you just joined, you can look at the beginning, and I showed how I did the planning and how I responded to questions. Yeah. Yeah, I think it can be debugged by the AI, but you need to tell him exactly where he needs to look. AGI resume. Let's see if this is working. No, it's not working. How do I resume a conversation in AGI? Session. Oh, wait. AGI. Then session. A noun command. I think that was working into the... Oh, resume, bro. This is... Okay, so I'll send him a screenshot. Let's take a screenshot of what is going on. Okay. And let's see. Bro, I haven't made any money with this app. We haven't launched it yet. So you can go on the Prwn website. Just go to the Prwn app and you'll see a coming soon page like this. Enter your email and we will announce you when we launch it. Okay, right now we didn't launch yet. I'm having an issue, unfortunately. It doesn't work. The piles are blocking into each other after 1 or 2 piles. They are not falling at all in front, so it's like they are not having enough weight. Yeah, I don't think the arrows and everything will help here. But who knows? Let's see what's going on. Oh my god, bro! This is Gemini 3.5, okay? Bro, wow! It also follows them. Oh my god, bro. Bro, it's Gemini 3.5. But why I cannot? Oh, okay. So I can zoom in, left drag Domino's platforms, right drag space plus left, pan. Okay. This is okay. And this is how I move. Okay. Good. And then let's see here, platform. Oh, you can add platforms, guys. No way. So I can add a new platform here. And then you can erase domino spacing. So you also have domino spacing. Wow. Then you have the domino height, the color cyberpunk. No, bro, this is literally funny shit, bro. And this is the this is presets. What's this camera movement? Why the camera does like this? But bro, it's so good. Then you have the speed bump climb. Let's see. That is not working, but literally it also edit presets. Double split run. What the heck? Okay. Bro. The camera is trying to function action, you need to add a smooth threshold. Bro, I'll not try to get it performance, sincerely. I don't want to... I just want to see what one shot is going to be with each one. Let's see what this one is doing. I added something here, but it's not working. Yeah, so let's see if this one finished. What's going on here? Investigate file structure. I'll view the create domino function. Yeah, good. Do you want to proceed? Yes, no problem. Yes, and always. Okay, so right now codex is really shit. The Gemini 3.5 is good. Then we are waiting for the planned one. I don't know what step it is. Let's see also these ones. Waiting on cargo test, running cargo test, so it seems like it's doing a great job. Let's see on the prompt. Let's see. Let's see on the prompt. And I'll take the exact example from here. Let me add another one. Maybe it works like this. Yeah, I can do that, so You know what is not working? I just realized the branch at the top. So right here, oh yeah, we are in this branch, but we are having the work tree done. Yeah. Yeah, never mind. Please go into the real-time file and see the real-time prompt we are sending to OpenAI, and let's use caveman mode, and also let's enforce that prompt together. Let's decide together on how we can make it better in respecting the rules. Maybe have some hard, medium, low rules into the prompt, and let's improve the prompt and make it better, and working with OpenAI very good. Make that show when hover on it for directory path. Yeah, of course. Have you implemented this already or not? I'm having an issue with real time. I told him to open a new terminal and so on and so forth, but unfortunately it seems like it didn't work. It said in the terminal raw text which I spoke with it. Allow this section. Okay, so I think the game is ready. The planned game is ready, guys. Let's send a screenshot. It's also debugging. You see, guys? It's also debugging on his self. Yeah. I already told him. Let's see what's going on here. Let's see. Allow this section. Click to place. What's this, guys? Wait, I'm confused right now. Where is the? But it also has sound effects. You see? This is so sick, bro. So I don't understand, because I have chosen I think in the planning I have chosen the wrong thing. No, it's my problem, because I decided to let's check Telegram, because I have everything here. I decided to be side view, you see, in the planning, and that's why. So let's see. Let's make it. Oh, sorry, not here. It is interesting, but let's make it 3D, please. Okay. Agent browser 18. Okay. Let's switch back to the Prwn app. Let's see what on the prompting. Let's see here. Claude diagnosed your wire voice. The word prompt skipping routing verbs like open a terminal in the task when those should be stripped since agents already run in the terminals. A prompt rewrite with hard rules, defaults, and style is disruptive to fix. Before Claude edits, you need to decide, include a work example in the prompt. Risks over anchoring the model. When you say new terminal, should a verb spawn a new session? Automatic or ask when unclear. Tighten the spawn sessions, send to terminal tool description in the tools at the same time. Included the word in the prompt discover. Let me see. Gemini 3.1 was good overall. Yeah, it was the best. Yeah. I literally no, I think that 3.5. Let's look again. Yes, type them. If I say open a new terminal tile, it should decide for me. Let's see. Let's compare. Okay. I do have. Okay, so this one was without planning, made by Claude, Opus 4.8. This one is made by Gemini 3.1 Pro. So is maybe let's see if it fixed it. No, it didn't fix it. Let's see what's going on there. So I'm having this one, collision mechanism. So this is the third try to fix it. Okay, I even sent him a picture, but it seems like it's not working. So domino row, this one. Let's open it again. Let's see again. No, still doesn't work. So this is Gemini 3.1. This one is Codex. Yeah. This one is Codex. Pretty similar to the Claude, okay? I mean, this is Claude. This is Codex. Sorry, guys. Okay, and this one was Gemini 3.1. And from all of these, Gemini 3.1 is the most complex one and the best working one. So Gemini 3.5, guys. This is fucking crazy. Bro. This is excellent. Sorry. Full 3D frequency. Okay. So what do you see, bro? 3.5, right? Yeah. It's not that. Not that. Okay. 3.5 is the best one. Let's see what's going on here, guys. I'm already waiting for a long time right now. 1 hour for the orb fixes and also we are implementing local model that will handle the Telegram and summaries you see here in those tiles. Also, the AI assistant will also have a local model, so you'll not use your Opus usage, and all the terminals and everything will also work on offline. So this is what we are working on. We are having 30 minutes more of this live stream. I'm really appreciating you guys because you like and follow and subscribe. You are building live with me everything. I'm showing you all the steps, everything I'm doing, what decisions I'm taking. We are having 2 likes, guys. I literally finding that Mondays are very slow. I know you've been in the weekend, you are relaxing, you are trying to catch up with things, all the things, but let's also study more. Let's also see what we can do. Let's also answer to this question. What drives the 3D domino physics? Canon ES, rapier, hand-rolled, kinetic, realistic, drag a path on the floor, plus orbit camera, click to place only, drag a path, CDN link, single HTML1 that okay, clean and small, open CDN in browser, and submit answers. Let's see, this is the planned one. I literally didn't understood what he was asking me, and I provided wrong instructions. But now he will work and fix that. But planning is so important, so everything works and does the job you want, you know. So this agent is working for 28 minutes, guys. Let's see what's going on with it. Looks like a parallel cargo test is what let me ask what is going on. What is going on? Why are you still? Okay, guys. I think I reset the problem. Let's see what's going on. And why it was stale. I think now it should work. Maybe let's see what's going on here. So this one still not working. This is a problem. Please launch multiple debug sub agents and find where is the problem. But I think it was not this, it was this one. Good. Review 3D spec completeness. And here 122. It seems like this is still so stale. Something is stale. Please check. You are referring to the prompt, like saved prompt. This is something I have here in the saved prompt. So you can literally click on that, create a prompt, test, and then you can take it from here. Save, sorry. You can take it from here, open it in AI Assistant or also in the chat, in the terminal, selected. Let's actually also let's also modify this because it should copy paste into the selected terminal. I'm having the save prompts feature, but instead of it pasting to the AI assistant text, please paste it into the opened terminal that is selected, and it is in focus. Yes, save prompt, but shortcut for them, because not everyone uses voice for work. Shortcut directly here, up on up, or what are you referring to? Because right now you can click them here in the resources, where you can drag the MCPs, where you can drag the skills, and we can make it draggable to the terminal as well. So I don't know if it oh yeah, it's working. I forgot about this. Yeah, so you can drag and drop into the terminal if you want. Oh, so you are referring to the keyboard screenshot. Oh, gotcha. Oh yeah. And also let's maybe implement keyboards keyboards shortcuts for that. Whisper is so slow today. And maybe each saved prompt can have its own keyboard shortcut. Yeah, let's do that. Let's see what's going on here. Seems like it is requesting me for more permissions, and with this dragging system you can add shortcut for particular prompt, and by pressing it if the active terminal will get input with that prompt preset, and by pressing it the active terminal it will get with this dragging system user can add shortcut for a particular prompt, and by pressing it the active terminal we get inputs with that prompt press. When you use a saved prompt into the focus terminal, what should happen to the text? Insert on send. Insert on. How are you guys? Let's go! I'm a little bit tired today. I need your energy. Like in your current system, just add option to add shortcuts for a particular prompt injection in the active terminal. Like in your current, just add the option to add shortcut for a particular prompt injection in the active terminal. Option to add shortcut for particular prompt injection. Yeah. This is what I'll do. I already specified to Claude, so we'll see what goes on. Why AGI is asking me for a lot of questions, guys? Let's play more. So this is the Gemini 3.5 one. It created a domino game. But I cannot add them just in line. So. Woohoo! Wow. Okay, bro, but when you save a prompt, for example, okay, you are saving a prompt, how the system will know which prompt you want to insert into the terminal if you don't add shortcut per that saved prompt? I don't get it. So can you please explain a little bit more? Because how should each prompt shortcut be chosen? Pick a slot. Let's see, bro. Let's see. What idea do you have? We are building this together, okay? So how should each saved prompt keyboard shortcut should be chosen? We are building this together, bro. Let's see. Don't add that by default because prompt preset is unlimited, but shortcuts are limited. Sign or it or leave it. I understand what you say. So I just assign, for example, 9 shortcuts. And then if a user wants to yeah, if a user wants to assign to a shortcut, it can drag to that specific shortcut he's seeing here in the right part. Correct? And then he can also have other prompts that are not assigned to any keyword, right? That's correct, bro? Bro, what this is doing? Why is it asking me for so many questions? I don't understand. But I think I will stop it. It's asking me too many questions. Okay. So we'll stop this. We'll not do it like this. Pick a slot. It's something like this. So you have 9 slots. Command Shift 1 to 9. And you can assign to one of them. And maybe in those slots you can also add skills or maybe MCPs or maybe other things. So you drag into the shortcut. Okay. So I'll stop this. Okay, so basically we will need to have slots from 1 to 9, for example. What the hell? Okay. But basically we'll need to have slots from 1 to 9, for example, and on those slots with pre-established shortcuts, we will basically assign prompts, MCPs, skills, and who knows, maybe later we can drag to those any other features. Tell it to add option for optional shortcut for particular preset. But the user should set the keyboard shortcut. Maybe he wants to use Command Shift. Maybe he wants to use Control Shift, and so forth. But this should be custom, not pre-established. Okay. Only the numbers should be pre-established 1 to 9. Okay, T1 accepted, T2 detection version held. Let's see if this is done or not, because I already waited a lot. Now applying the fixes. Task 11, access fix from fall direction, disable sleep during run. And let's also test again the AI assistant and let's see what it does. Okay. Let's test it. Hi, how are you?
Hi, I'm doing well. Thanks for asking. How about you?
Please open one terminal and have the terminal check what are the last 10 commits, please.
I've opened a new terminal to check the last 10 commits. It's working on that now. We'll get the results shortly.
Demon.
It looks like the session is still working on gathering the information. Let's give it a bit more time. I'll let you know as soon as the results are in.
Okay. Let's try it again. I don't know what it happened. Maybe the memory is not working anymore because we have a lot of things opened. A lot of terminals. Let's see, somebody's asking me something. The custom modifier, one prefix for all 9 slots, or a different modifier per slot. Let me check also the Discord, bro. So guys, don't forget, go to the Prwn website, okay? So I'll show you right now how you should write it. It's Prwn prwn.app, okay, and then you'll be redirected to this coming soon page. Enter your email, you'll be the first one announced when we will launch the app and you can test it. So please enter your email. I'll get you on the email list and announce you when everything gets good to test the app and you can work on the app. Okay, we are having more fixes to add. You are watching me, what the bugs I'm encountering, how I'm doing it, how today we are doing a test with the domino game, so you can see what is the difference between planning and not planning. Okay, these are the domino games made by Claude, Gemini, Codex. This one is by Codex. Okay, this one is AGI. Okay, I already have terminal app with presets panel where the user can save commonly used commands for prompts and drag terminal for a quick input. I want to add a new option. Each preset can have a custom keyboard shortcut assigned to it. Assigning a shortcut should be optional. When the user presses the assigned shortcut, the preset content should automatically be inserted in the current. The shortcut should work only within the application and target whichever terminal is currently focused active. Existing drag and drop function should remain unchanged. Example: preset npm run dev shortcut is pressed, npm run dev is inserted into the active terminal instantly. Yeah, okay, I got you. This is pretty similar to what I was thinking about, but now yeah, I will modify this. I will stop this, and then I will give it your prompt. And see what he is doing. And then let's check also this. Where the 3D plan stands. Same honest flag last time. Proof start now. Let's close from oh no. Let's see what. Let's close from the terminals because it seems like it's starting to consume a lot of memory, having a lot of terminals here opened. Also with the stream, it seems like okay, perfect. So don't forget, guys, I'm leaving in 5 minutes. You go on the prwn.app. You'll be ready to come soon. Enter your email, get early access, and after you enter the email, you'll also get access to the Discord channel. We already have a community there. Let's keep in touch also there, but I will also send you an email when you can test the app and get access to the Prwn app. Okay. Let's talk with the AI for the last try this night. Hello, how are you?
Hi there. I'm doing well. Thanks for asking. How can I help you today?
I want you to open a new terminal and check the last 5 commits in Git.
I've opened a new session to check the last 5 Git commits. It's working on that now, and I'll let you know as soon as we get the results. Here's what we found. The last 5 commits include voice orb routing fixes, a version bump to 0.55.2, and documentation for a REST concurrent sprints deadlock issue and a sprint AI daemon handoff. There's also a note that the version bump mentions a derived recompute left uncommitted in shared checkout, so that might need attention. Let me know if you'd like any more
Do
details
you have
on any
any
of these
recommendation
commits.
for what we need to do next?
Based on that result, it looks like the main thing to address is that derived recompute left uncommitted in shared checkout, mentioned in the version bump commit. It might mean there are some uncommitted or incomplete changes that need to be reviewed or committed. Also, if any of those fixes or documentation changes need follow-up testing or validation, that could be a next step. Do you want to dive into that uncommitted issue or check the current working directory status?
Yes, please open the Jolen workspace and please it's in there.
I've opened a session in the Jolin workspace to check the Git status for any
No,
uncommitted.
that's the Prwn workspace. You didn't open in the right one.
You're right. I opened that session in the Jolin workspace instead of Prwn. I'll correct that and open a new session in the Prwn workspace now. I've now opened a new session.
So we need to make it workspace aware. It seems like right now it doesn't have knowledge on what workspace he is on or not. Let's try it here. Please open a new terminal
I need to
and
know where you want to open the new session. For example, should it be in the current project directory or somewhere else?
You should open it in Jolen. Check the last 5 commits in there.
The new terminal is open in the Jolin workspace, and it's now checking the last 5 commits. We'll get the results soon.
Okay, so it depends on what workspace I'm on, but maybe I want to have access to all the app, not be as straightforward to the point. Okay, I'll note that. Perfect. So it seems like it's not that bad. It's working. Let's see the 3D app built tonight. Let's see what it was doing here. So this is the planned one, okay? You see the same thing. The same thing as Gemini 3.1. The weight is not great and the dominoes are not going down. Even if I planned it from the beginning and used a lot of agents to actually review the specs and plan and everything, it seems like the app it's not built as it should. Yeah, but still I'll show you the app without the plan, okay? And you'll be shocked. This is the app without the plan, okay? And this one is here. I can literally move. It's a 3D space, and maybe we can also add other things into there. But now we need to fix this situation where the domino is not going yeah. So yeah, that was the lesson for today, guys. Just use the plan mode, just use the brainstorming from superpowers. uh I'll show you right now the skill. This is the skill I'm using. This is the best skill. I'm sincerely having a lot of work done with it. It has the brainstorming, it uses the work trees, it have the writing plans, sub-agent driven development and executing plans, test driven development, requesting code review, finishing a development branch. So it knows everything, you know. This is the most powerful skill I've used until now. And also the plan mode, as Limited said, the plan mode is very, very good. Okay, guys, thank you so much for being here tonight. Don't forget to subscribe, basically. So the app is not launched yet. The app is Prwn app, which you saw here. I was working on. I'm handling a lot of workspaces in the same time with a lot of terminals. Tonight I was a little bit tired to start a lot of terminals here in multiple projects, but usually I'm having all the projects running at the same time. And no, it didn't add it limited. It didn't add it yet. I will check later. Let's see. It asked me. Let me see what it asked. So it asks prove this, and I write the spec the data model saved from the preset, gain an optional shortcut string holding a normalized chord like serial deal, absent equal no shortcut optional as required persist, assign, edit, remove, reassign inline on the preset row, set a on the preset row a set shortcut control per preset that records your next chord, shows the chord as a chip one set with edit, exclude, clear, reassign, equal, record a new one. Okay, firing the global key down listener today bails unless meta key broadens the to match the registered preset chord. Persistence already covered by one. The storage is the single source for both of the preset. To flex before I write the spec, terminal control key collision. The real risk in a terminal bear. Your own example dodge by adding alt. So my proposed rule: a shortcut must include at least one of TMD, CTR, alt, and no modifier chord will eat normal typing, rejecting that record time. A bear CTR letter gets a warning that it shadows a terminal control key, nudging you to add alt. B, a capture gotcha I'll handle, just flagging it exists. So the recorder captures the physical key. No decision area, nothing. It's a spec count for it. Does it look good, bro? What do you think? Okay. So I will land the plane here. Thank you for being here tonight, guys. I'm so sorry I need to go. Maybe next days I will stay more. Maybe I will have longer sessions. What do you think about it? Let a message in the chat. Maybe we can stay more until, I don't know, 11 p.m., 12 p.m., maybe 2 more hours from now on. I don't know how what's the time zone and when what is the hour for you, but for me it's really late. I'm not on the US time, but usually I'm doing 2 hours live stream, so I don't become boring for everyone. Tonight I showed you can go back to the start and beginning of the live. I showed you how to use plan mode and why the plan mode and the planning matters very, very hard when you are creating apps and you are doing vibe coding. So if you want to see which model nailed it really good without very good planning, is this one here. Okay, so this one here is the Gemini 3.5 Pro. Sorry, not Pro. What it was? I think preview, and it really nailed it. I mean, we also have presets which we can use, and that's literally so nice. You see? So you can get my prompt and test yourself as well. Okay? Perfect, guys. Thank you so much. Claude is trying to fix this annoying thing here. It seems like the weight on the pillars are not is not so good. So have a great one. I wish you all the best. See you at the same hour tomorrow. Peace.